Our top story tonight, a father with so many questions. How can stealing a case of beer lead to his son's death? And why did he steal it when he had enough cash on hand? It's a story about how a quick and routine errand will haunt this dad for the rest of his life. But also it underlines the growing problem at our neighborhood convenience stores and the pressure to stop petty crime, which ultimately drives up all our prices. ABC 15's Lauren Vargas is live in West Phoenix. And Lauren, he knows a crime was committed, but in this case, I mean, you still have to feel for this dad who went through this.
Absolutely. In fact, the dad was actually sitting in the car here at this Circle K across the street when his son Manuel Martinez attempted to make what's called a beer run. But his plans to commit a small crime turned into a huge disaster.
I love him and I miss him, and I want to let him do that if I knew who's going to do that.
A father grieving the loss of his son.
It's just like a bad dream, like a nightmare.
It happened at this Circle K on 83rd Avenue and Camelback in Phoenix.
We stopped at the store. He walked inside the store, and I remember him coming out with some beer.
Beer that Manuel Martinez didn't pay for.
Manuel Martinez went inside and committed a beer run. He came out with a 24-pack case of beer that he had stolen from that location.
His father says he had no idea what his son had planned.
He had money, I had money.
Security guards tackled Manuel outside the store, where he hit his head on the concrete. The 25-year-old died 3 days later at the hospital.
I don't know what happened. My concerns are, why did they hit him? Why did they hit him that strong?
His brother Ruben says Manuel's ultimate punishment doesn't fit the crime.
I didn't know in the U.S. committing a crime like that, you die for it now.
Police say this loss of life was 100% preventable.
I think the family needs to keep in mind that this man was committing a crime, and his actions, had he not stolen the beer, there would have been no need for the security guards to take him into custody.
Now, Circle K actually has a Crime Busters Facebook page for Arizona and Nevada where they post pictures of suspects who have robbed their locations or stolen items, including suspects who make beer runs. Katie?
That's not the last we're going to be hearing of this issue as well. Thanks, Lauren.